YouTube, it's once again, we are in the kitchen. This is Feathers and Family Outdoors. We're gonna bring y'all something you've never seen before. I tried it in a restaurant one time, probably about a month ago, and I thought I'd bring it home and do it myself. We're gonna do some char-grilled oysters for you today. As you see, we are in the kitchen. You got Miss Lacey back there, but she's not doing the cooking today. Yours truly, Swamper, doing the cooking today. Y'all hang on, let me show y'all some of these beautiful oysters. And as we shuck them, we're gonna show y'all how to do it. As you know, if you ever seen anything about char-grilled oysters, I'm gonna show y'all, these are oysters, okay? They're closed. They say when they start opening, they are bad. These just come off of ice, y'all, so every one of them are closed. They are cold right now. You don't want bad oysters, trust me. So all of these are oysters and they're fully closed. But we also have our ingredients. Our ingredients today, we're gonna have some pepper, some coarse black pepper, some parsley flakes, some accent, 3 cheese, grated Parmesan, Romano, and Asiago. We got a little bit of Texas Pete dust, y'all. If y'all haven't seen it before, y'all gonna find out about that today. And I'm doing Parmesan cheese, but I'm also doing Colby Jack cheese, all right? So we're gonna do that all on our oysters, and we're gonna char-grill them on the grill today for you. Y'all know Miss Lacey's in the kitchen, so she gotta be cooking, all right? So we also having some of those fried chicken wings, all right? Game come on tonight. This is Thursday night for Thursday Night Football. She got those chicken wings going. And one thing I did not tell you is we also have butter that goes in our oysters. So this is butter. This is simply butter with grated or minced garlic. And those are gonna also go on our oysters. So we got that melting away and getting ready for our oysters. See, my pit boss is starting to smoke, y'all. So the way we're gonna get these oysters open, we're gonna put them on the grill. So you gotta start this in this smoke state. When I tell you this is a true smoker, if you want it to be, oh, it's a smoker, y'all. All right, but guess what? What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna get this thing ready and put some raw oysters on it so the shells will open up just enough so we can open them up all the way with our oyster shucker. Turn my temperature off of smoke, which is where we begin on smoke, and I put it up to 350, and that's what we're gonna cook at today. Of course, you gotta have that flame going. You can cover this flame if you just want the smoke, but we wanna do a little something. We wanna char grill them, so we wanna get some of that fire on our oysters. 350 is my target temperature. I'm at 375 now, actually. But anyway, she gonna level on out. But what I'm gonna show you is we still have these closed oysters. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to put them flat side down, just like this. Yep, they raw, but what we're gonna do, all we're trying to do is get enough heat on them, y'all, so they can open up. Once they open up, we're gonna pull them off the grill, and then we're gonna season them like we want to. And once we season them like we want to, we're gonna put them back on the grill. So we're gonna get them up here. They're nice and cold now, but we're gonna get these things to open up for us and come back and get them. I got them all up here, y'all. You can see it. I got them all up here. We're gonna shut it down for a few minutes and come back when they open up. They've been on here for a good 3-4 minutes. You see how they open it up already? That's what you want. You want them to open up on you. All right? So we're gonna get these oysters shucked and we will get them seasoned. See, this oyster is already starting to crack open, but we're gonna come in with our shucker, and what we're gonna do is open it up fully, all right? So what we're gonna do, this is our oyster here. This is the side that we're throwing away. This is the oyster, this is the side we're throwing away. We're gonna season this, y'all. We got some shucking to do. Y'all stay tuned, we're gonna put you on high speed. I got a baker's dozen right now. I had to put a few back on the grill because they weren't open all the way, but this is a baker's dozen of our oysters. So I've already shucked these, and listen, one thing I can tell you, you'll find out real quickly. I know that was not the best video of shucking oysters, but I'm not a shucker. I don't shuck and I don't jive and I don't do any of that. So let me show you. I'm not a professional at shucking. I'm definitely a novice at shucking, but guess what? We got it done, y'all. We got it done. Going with some 3 cheese Romano, y'all. Coming here, and we coming in with our Romano and our Parmesan and Asiago cheese. We're gonna cover them up like this, like so. You'll get them nice and cheesy, y'all. Everything tastes better with cheese. Y'all know? Now you know. And we are liberal with the cheese, and this is just the first application of cheese. We coming back with some more shredded cheese here shortly. But yeah, we're gonna get that. So all that oyster juice that's in there, that's gonna soak it up a little bit. Now we're coming back with a little bit of accent, y'all. Listen, everything I have is not really salty, because of course, if you know, oysters come out of salt water. So we don't want to have overbearing of salt. Plus we're gonna cook these in some butter too. We're gonna put some butter and garlic on it, so we don't want it to be too salty, y'all. Then we come back with a hint of this Texas Pete hot sauce dust. Texas Pete hot sauce dust. All right, again, not too much. With that JL seasoning, y'all, all right? Just a little bit, because this has a good salt content, so we don't want to have a lot of salt on this at all. Just a little bit. I'm talking about a dash, y'all. And when I say a dash, I really mean a dash. Not a dive, a dash, all right? Now we're coming back with a little bit of our pepper. And yeah, we're gonna just bam a little bit of pepper on here, all right? Just a sprinkle of pepper, just enough. All right. Then we come back, Parmesan. Parmigiano. Again, sprinkle of Parmesan. 2 fingers of Parmesan. I got big fingers, y'all, so y'all bear with me. 2 fingers of Parmesan. They're like a finger and a half. We coming back with some more on that. All right. How about this? There you go. We're getting this thing perfected. How did we get the old Long Ranger down here? Got to get that one too. All right. Coming there with the Parmesan. Parmesan. Now, if you've been paying attention, I told you a little bit something about Colby Jack. But guess what? I'm not gonna do these with Colby Jack. These are gonna be our simple Parmesan. Then we'll come back with the next dozen and do our Colby Jack. And all we want is a sprinkle of parsley. That just gives us some color, y'all. Give us a sprinkle of parsley. And guess what? These are just about ready to go on the grill. Y'all can see, here go my Parmesan and here my Colby Jack. But we're gonna put these on the grill and we're gonna get some action. We do want them to be char grilled, so y'all check them out. We're gonna show y'all some good cooking and some good eating here shortly. I'm placing them down, y'all. Doesn't take a whole lot of time to cook these. But it's a whole lot of goodness going on. Want to get them close to the fire. This is my butter and my garlic. This is what we're gonna ladle over top of those oysters, y'all. And that's gonna bring the fire up. That's what we want. We want the fire to kiss the shell of the oyster. We want that butter to get in there. And we want these things to be flame kissed, y'all. That butter go down there. There you go. That's exactly what we want. That's what we're looking for. That give you that char grill. This ain't Burger King, but we gonna have it our way. See what's going on. Oh yeah. We got Chargrilled oysters, baby. We got Chargrilled oysters. That's what you want. Look at how beautiful they are. If I say so myself. I love the way they bubble like that. Today, I won't be the taste tester. I got Miss Lacey in here. She's gonna taste test our Chargrilled oysters.
And I'm ready.
Don't burn your mouth, man.
Just look at it. Pure goodness. All that butter and cheese. Help me, Jesus, please.
Talk to him now. Come on now.
Oh my goodness.
Come on now.
The smoky flavor, the cheese. Oh my God. Pure goodness. I just wanna suck up the juice. Y'all, this is good. Lord have mercy. When we gonna get this again?
And you know the oyster eater.
Can I get a treat? Can we do this tomorrow? Can we do some more too?
So look here, y'all. We did it ourselves. We did it at home. And let me tell y'all something. You can do it at your house too. Chargrilled oysters, nothing but the truth. Y'all know what this is. This is Feathers and Family Outdoors. Y'all take care of yours.